Alright, so I'm making my way down to Edmonton. Got some business to take care of over the next couple of days. I figure I'd give you the authentic experience of what the drive out is like. It's been snowing all day, so it'll be extra special, and I'll also be arriving at night to up the treachery levels a little bit, so it'll be a fun experience for everyone. Safeways always suck because you gotta pay a loonie to get the tire pressure working, but it's the closest thing around me, so I'm gonna use it. $1 later, she's filled up and we're good to go. See you at the first stop, which will be Crooked Creek. It's not far to Grand Prairie, but they got donuts here that a lot of people like. I don't know, I'm not even gonna go in and get any, but now you know. Look at this mess though. Woo! Highway's gonna be fun tonight. If you happen to be about half hour or so outside of Grand Prairie and you're craving some donuts, this is the place. They're kind of legendary. I've had them before. They taste a lot like donuts. I don't know. People go nuts for them though. Okay, back on the road. Alright, Valleyview. Gonna grab some gas quickly and then get on the road. Fun little fact about Valleyview. For the longest time this place had the best bathroom in Alberta, and now they don't anymore, but they were so proud of it. They have like plaques and everything, and it's just a bathroom. I don't know, but they were stoked on it, so good for them, I guess. Look at that, former champs. The roads aren't too crazy so far, but I've got like no traction. It's like a skating rink out there. I'm just swerving all over the place. Thankfully there's not snow covering it and the traffic isn't that bad. I mean, it would be nicer if I had more traction, but you can't win them all. So I'm slightly more prepared than I was in Toronto when I was going to Florida to get the Airbnb. I've actually got my hotel set up for the first night. It's at this place called the Crash Zone. It happens to be right by the building where I'm going to tomorrow. I've got for my business stuff. And it's like a hipster hotel kind of thing, so it should be kind of interesting. It's starting to get real dark out, so it's now it's about to get real fun on the road. Just stopping at Whitecourt to stretch my legs for a little bit, but check this out. Bam! The champions! Just so everyone knows they got the best washroom. Oh man, the roads are so crazy right now. The semi-trucks kick up so much snow, so even when you're within like 40 or 50 meters of them, the visibility drops way down. So you have to brave through that to try and get up close, and then it just becomes like a complete white wall. And then you gotta get into the other lane, which usually has a bunch of snow covering it. Hold on for dear hope that you're gonna make it through and maintain traction. Blow past them and then get onto the other side. It's a rush, let me tell you. I've only almost died a couple of times, so I'm doing pretty good thus far, all things considered. Well, I'm gonna get back on the road though. See you in a bit. Made it safe. It is 1 in the morning and I have arrived in Edmonton at the Crash Hotel.
If you have check out at 11, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always give us a call.
Okay, cool beans, thanks man. What? It's actually kind of nice looking. Crash. Hey. Oh my god, this is like so hipster. Look at that. They got the string lighting and everything. Let's see if I can turn those bad boys on. Nope. Just for looks. It is plugged in, but I cannot see a switch for it. I'm not hip enough to be operating string lights, especially not at this hour. I think, like, they got Mickey's in the mini fridge. That's the first time I've ever seen that. Just in case. Alright. What? Like, do they even have earplugs on the bed? At least it's quiet. I didn't think this was like a party hotel, but that would make sense. Oh, there we go. Check it out. There we go. Some sick lights. Stellar view. Got a sick rooftop. Intelligently they barred it off so you can't get out. There's the old Rogers place right there. That's pretty neat. Made it from Grand Prairie to Edmonton through the snowstorm alive. I am exhausted though. I gotta get up early and get some business done, so I will see you all tomorrow. Good night.